Hello students, I am Ashok Yadav. Today I will teach you chapter 3 Kali and the Red Snake, because you have all of you have already read about chapter 1 and 2. In this story, the writer narrates about a boy whose name was Kali, and he belongs to Irula tribes, and the Kali grown up with the snakes. He does not fear to snakes because his father was also a snake catcher, and all the students jealous Kali because he eats termites. So look at your chapter number 3, Kali and Red Snake. Kali walked along the thorny forest track as slowly as he could. He was on his way to school. Kali walked along the thorny forest track. Kali go to school on the thorny forest track as slowly as he could. जितना धीरे वो चल सकता था उतना धीरे स्कूल की तरफ जाता था. He was on his way to school. वो अपने स्कूल के रास्ते पर था. Kali's father was one of the most famous snake catchers of Irula tribe. Kali's father was most famous snake catcher of Irula tribes. He had caught over 100 cobras this monsoon and bought many good things for the family. Kali's father had caught many cobras in this season, and he bought many good things to his family. The snake cooperative paid 150 for each poisonous snake. Kali's father found 150 rupees one poisonous snake. They took out the poison from snakes to make anti-venom serum, and Kali's father took out the poison of the snakes, which has made a medication made from the poison of snakes to treat snake bites, which was used to treatment of snake bites. एक ऐसा मेडिसिन बनता था उससे जो स्नेक काटने के बाद उसमें यूज किया जाता था. When Kali went snake catching with his father, his legs worked like machines. When Kali went out to snake catching with his father, then he walked very fast. But now he dragged his feet. I hate school. But when he goes to school, then he go very slowly, and he hates school. He told the buses as his walk got slower and slower, and school hates me. He generally talked with buses that he want to walk slow and very slow, and school hates me. The buses walk got slower and slower, and school hates me. The buses did not seem to understand or feel sorry for him. But there is no any response to the buses. Buses means झाड़ियों को कोई रेस्पॉन्स, झाड़ियों से बातचीत करते हुए जाता था धीरे धीरे, लेकिन उनका कोई रेस्पॉन्स नहीं मिलता था. It has been 2 months since I joined school, but I don't have a single friend. Kali said that he had joined school near about 2 months ago, but he has not any single friend. I get the feeling I think they think we Irulas are world, because he thought that Irulas was a very bad tribe. So nobody can make friendship to Kali. On the first day of school, each student had to stand up and tell their class 3 things: his or her name, the name of their village, and what their father did. On the first day, all the students give their introduction, and they talk about their name, village, and his father's occupation. My name is Ramu. My village is Melur. My father is a bus conductor. First student said, "My name is Ramu. My village is Melur," and he said that his father's business is that he was a bus conductor. Said the first child, पहले बच्चे ने कहा. Then came Selvi or Thur, postman, when it was Kalister. और तब उन्होंने कहा Selvi or Thur, postman, when it was Kalister. He was so proud, he felt like a balloon. He was very proud because his name was Kali. My village is Kanthur. My father is a snake catcher. And he said that his father is a snake catcher. The children giggled and laughed one another as if he had said something silly. But all the children make laugh at Kali as he said something wrong and something foolish. For the first time in his life, Kali did not feel proud of being an Irula. And the first time in their life, in Kali's life, he does not feel good after being related with Irula tribe. He wished he was just like the others, an ordinary boy with a bus conductor father. He said that if he was a boy, which father, conductor, postman, etc. Anyway, that was 2 months ago. Kali was getting used to it, but it was hard. Anyway, that was 2 months ago. Kali was getting used to it. 2 months ago, Kali was getting to use it, but it was hard. But it was very hard to Kali to live there, and his school work got slower and slower, and he does not go to school regularly. Kali reached the school gate as the bell was ringing. As usual, he sat in the back row. Kali reached the school, and as the bell was ringing, as usual, he sat in the back row. Kali sat in the back row, alone, wishing he had friends, wishing he could fail and be thrown out of school, but failing was not easy. And Kali expect that he failed in his class. He had tried, but however badly he wrote his lessons, and the teachers seemed pleased with him. Kali had tried, प्रयास किया Kali, but however badly he wrote his lessons, the teachers seemed pleased with him. Teachers seemed pleased with him. Teacher उससे खुश रहते थे. This morning they had math and writing, and then it was break time. This morning they had math and writing. This morning they saw math and writing, and then it was break time. And when the break time has come, the children rushed out to have their snacks. Children rushed out to take their lunch. Some had idli, others had mixture, a slice of bread, or 2 or 3 biscuits. Kali opened his tiffin box. Some has idli, and some has mixture, a slice of bread. Some has a slice of bread, or 2 or 3 biscuits. Kali opened his tiffin box. Kali ने अपने tiffin box को खोला. Oh no, fried termites. His favorite actually. But what if someone saw? Fried, Kali said with surprise. fried termites. His favorite actually. But what if someone saw? But if anyone saw his food, then he feel very shameful. He had to hide. So Kali had hide his food. Now checkpoint questions. Do you think that by the end of the story Kali will have friends in school? Yes, we think that in the last end of the story Kali will have friends in school. When did Kali join school? Kali joined school after 2 months ago. Before 2 months ago. Why were the teachers happy with Kali? Teachers happy with Kali because he was very sincere and hard worker. What was Kali trying to hide? Why? Kali was trying to hide fried termite because the students in the school, if they will saw Kali to eat insect, then they laugh at him. He sat on the wall far away from the others and finished his tiffin. Termites did not taste as good here as at home. He sat on the wall far away from the others. And Kali sat on a wall alone, and he think that termites did not taste as good here as at home. Suppose someone come near me. Suppose someone asks what I have brought. कि कोई पूछ ले कि हम क्या लाए. Kali wandered anxiously. The bell rang. Break was. Kali wandered. Kali surprised. Then the break was over. It was the same teacher but another subject English. It was the same teacher. They had to write the English alphabet on their slates. Same teacher but subject was English, and they have written alphabet in their slates. Teacher walked around the room punishing children who had made mistakes. Teacher round the room and he punished which students they have make mistakes. Lucky, thought Kali, lucky that he could make the teacher angry. He would try and make a mess of his slate too. Lucky, thought Kali, lucky that he could make the teacher angry. Kali was very lucky student. So he was a cunning one. So he does not want to do any work that was the wrong of his teacher. Teacher stood in front of Kali, but instead of anger, he got a pat on the back. Teacher stood in front of Kali. And he got a pat on the back. Teacher held up Kali's slate for the class to see. Here, this is the sort of work I want to see from everyone, he said. Teacher saw the Kali's slate to all the students and praised him that he wanted to see from everyone to do this work. Now the others would hate him more than ever, and so the other students hate Kali ever. Kali could hear the whispering in the classroom. Kali could hear whispering. Whispering मतलब फुसफुसाहट सुन रहा था पूरे क्लास में. He had never had friends in school. He had no any friends in school, and he had never get kicked out. Just then, something happened in the room, and Kali thought that something is happening in the room. At first, Kali did not understand it. Arms and legs flew, bodies ran, tumbled over each other, fell, ran some more. There were shouts from all directions, help, help, teacher, help. But the teacher was under his table. There is making a noise in all the classroom. and teacher wanted to help, but the teacher was under his, and all the students want to help, but the teacher is under his table. Eyes and hands pointed to the ceiling. Now Kali understood. Eyes and hand, उनकी आंखें और हाथ, eyes and hands, आंखें और हाथ उनका केवल सीलिंग, छत की तरफ इशारा कर रहा था. Now Kali understood. अब काली समझ चुका था. All of you prepare explanation of this chapter and revise para based questions, means checkpoint questions.